Number 20, the terminal side of an angle theta in standard position coincides with the line y equals 3/4 x in quadrant 1. Find cosine theta in its most simple form. Now this problem is actually really easy if you understand how we graph. Now if you remember how we graph, this would be a slope, and slope is the same thing as rise over run. Now I'm going to come back to this in a second, but for now we would say, okay, there's the y-intercept here is 0. So this would be a line passing through at 0, but it has a slope of up 3 over 4. Said another way, if you picked any point, let's just pick this point, it might be up 3 units over 4 units, meaning that the rise is the same thing as the y, the run is the same thing as the x, which in this problem is 3 over 4. Now, how does that help us? It says find cosine in the most simple form. Well, cosine is your x over your h. So if I just made this into a triangle, I know that this is 3. I know that x equals 4. And this must be a 3, 4, 5 triangle. If you did the Pythagorean theorem, you'll see that 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16. Add them, you get 25. Take the square root, h is 5. So cosine, we know, is x over h. And so in this case, cosine theta would equal 4 over 5. That would be our answer. If you needed to find anything other than cosine, you would just use the proper formation or ratio of the letters x, y, or h.